Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. The previous video was about wide range resistance checker from 1 ohm up to 100 mega ohm. This is soundable. We can connect to this board to test check with any other sensor like infrared sensor, ultrasonic. This is printed PCB board, back and front, with the UV technology, and it is working very nice. This is the version, and very soon I will make also the SMD version also. This is working with a small CR2032 battery, and as you can see, when I'm touching the plate and pushing more, the sound gonna be changed. From 1 ohm up to 100 mega ohm, the project will make different sound. This is excellent to connect to any sensor or any project. When you are working the super sensitive projects, this may work very nice, and this is final version of the detector. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.